Now exercise 13.6, question number 6. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Capacity is given as 15.4 liters. Height is given in meter, that is 1 meter. Then here we have to find how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it. That means we have to find total surface area of the cylinder. So in the question it is given that height of the cylinder h is equal 1 meter and volume is given as 15.4 liters. So we should convert this into meter cube. So liter to meter cube, what we should do? To convert liter to meter cube, we should divide it by 1000. Okay, liter to meter cube divided by 1000. So here 0.0154 meter cube. 0.0154 meter cube. This is the volume. We can express this as fraction also. Okay. So here I mention it is in decimal form. Then here volume is 0.0154 or you can write it as 15.4 by 1000 meter cube because we have to find the cube root and all. Okay. So we can express that in this form also. So height is given as 1 meter. Volume we got as 15.4 by 1000 meter cube. Then here we have to write equation for the volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h, that is equal 15.4 by 1000. So here we have to substitute the values of pi and h. Okay. So that is equal 22 by 7 into r square. Radius we have to find, so r square itself. And height is given as 1. This is equal 15.4 by 1000. Now r square equal 15.4 into 7 by 1000 into 22. When we transpose this to here, then it becomes 7 by 22. This one can be removed because into 1 means that itself. Okay. Then here r square is equal 15.4 into 7 by 22. Here we can use the cutting method. So in 22, 2 11s are 22. Okay. Now here it is in 15, 1 11s are 11. Then remaining 4. Then in 44, 4 11s are 44. Then again we can cut it 2 by 2, 1. Thus 1.4 by 2 is 0.7. Now we got 0.7 into 7 by 1000. 0.7 into 7 by 1000. So we can write 0.7 as 7 by 10. Anyway you can do. Okay. Here this is the easy way to do the calculation. So 0.7 means 7 by 10. Then into 7. Then divided by 1000 becomes multiplied by the reciprocal. So multiplied by 1 by 1000. That is equal 7 into 7 by 10 into 1000 means 10,000. Okay, anyway you can do the calculation here. This is an easy way. Then this is r square. So we have to find r. For finding r we should find the square root of 7 into 7 by 10,000. So root of 7 into 7 is 7 itself. Root of 10,000 is 100. So 0.07 meter. This is the radius. 0.07 meter is the radius of this base. Okay. Then here we have to find the material. Square meters of metal sheet used. Square meters of metal sheet. Square meters of metal sheet used to make it. Okay, used to make it. That is equal TSA of the cylinder. So that is equal 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. Substitute the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.07 or 7 by 100. For the calculation, we can write 0.07 as 7 by 100. Then 7 by 100 plus 1. Here we can write it as 0.07. Okay, anyway you can do. That is equal 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 100 into, here we can write it as 0.07, no problem. So that is equal 1.07. 0.07 plus 1 is 1.07. Then we can do the cutting method. Then in 100, directly we can multiply 2 into 22 into 1.07. That is equal 47.08. 47.08 by 100. That is equal 0.4708. This much meter square. This much square meters of metal is used for making this cylinder. Okay. So here answer is 0.4708 meter square. Meter square TSA. Okay. Exercise 13.6 question number 7. A lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. The diameter of the pencil is 7 mm and the diameter of the graphite is 1 mm. If the length of the pencil is 14 cm, find the volume of the wood and that of the graphite. So here the volume of the wood used in the pencil is equal outer volume minus inner volume. Then the inner volume is same as the volume of the graphite used in the pencil. In this question it is given that the diameter of the pencil. So diameter of the pencil means the diameter including the graphite. Okay. So diameter of the pencil means diameter including the graphite. That we can take as capital D. That is 7 mm. So what will be the radius? That is D by 2. 7 by 2 mm. Millimeter. Okay. Then it is given that the diameter of the graphite. That means inner diameter. Okay. Inner diameter is given as what? D equal 1 millimeter. This is the outer diameter. Outer diameter and this is the inner diameter. So inner radius small r equal D by 2, that is 1 by 2 millimeter. Okay. Then here we have to find volume of wood used. For that we have to get height. Height of the pencil is given as 14 centimeter. Height of the pencil means that is same for inner and outer. So here these are given in millimeter. So this also we can convert into millimeter. So to convert into millimeter, what we should do? Centimeter to millimeter multiply by 10. So 14 into 10 millimeter. That is equal 140 millimeter. Okay. Now we have to find volume of wood used. Okay. So volume of wood used is equal outer volume minus inner volume. Outer volume minus inner volume. So that is equal pi r square h. This height is common for inner and outer minus pi small r square h. So we can take the common factor pi h outside, then r square minus r square we will get. So 22 by 7 into 140 into 7 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 square. Okay. When we substitute the values, then we will get this. That is equal 22 by 7 into 140 into 49 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Here the denominators are same. So we can do the calculation on the numerators. So this will be equal 22 by 7 into 140 into 49 minus 1 is 48 by 4. Then we can do the cutting method. 48 by 4 is 12. 12 fours are 48. Then in 7, 2 sevens are 14. Then remaining 0. Then the answer is 22 into 20 into 12. That is equal 5280 millimeter cube. 5280 millimeter cube. This is the volume of wood used. If you want to convert that into centimeter cube, that you can do. It is not compulsory because they didn't ask that unit in centimeter cube. So here we can do, if you want to convert millimeter cube to centimeter cube, what we should do? Divided by 1000. Millimeter to centimeter divided by 10. Millimeter cube to centimeter cube divided by 1000. Okay, so this much centimeter cube. If you want only, you can do. That is equal 5.28 centimeter cube. Okay, then we have to find the volume of graphite. Volume of graphite means what? Volume of graphite is inner volume. Okay, inner volume. That is equal pi small r square h. That is equal 22 by 7 into small r is 1 by 2 square into h is 140. Then here 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 140. Okay, then this 7 and this 20, 40, 140, 27s. Then into 10 2s are 20. Then into 5 2s are 10. Then 22 into 5 is the answer. 22 into 5 is 110. So 110 millimeter cube. If you want to convert this into centimeter cube, that you can do. That is 110 by 1000 centimeter cube. That is equal 0.11 centimeter cube. 0.11 centimeter cube is the volume of graphite and volume of wood is 5.28 centimeter cube. Now the last question of exercise 13.6, that is question number 8. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 centimeter. If the bowl is filled with soup to a height of 4 centimeter, how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? Diameter of the cylindrical bowl is given as 7 centimeter. So we should find radius, that is d by 2 equals 7 by 2 centimeter. Then height of the cylindrical bowl h is given as 4 centimeter. And here the volume of the cylindrical bowl we have to find first. Then only we will get the quantity of the soup required for one patient. Okay, so volume of cylindrical tank, cylindrical bowl is equal pi r square h. Substitute the values of pi 22 by 7, r is 7 by 2, so 7 by 2 square, and h is 4. This much centimeter cube. Okay, then we can do the calculation. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 4. Then in 22, 11 times. The 7 and 7 we can cut into 2 2s are 4. Then the remaining is 11 into 7 into 2. So this much centimeter cube is the volume of one cylindrical bowl. That means required for one patient. How much soup is required for one patient? That is same as 11 into 7 into 2. Okay. Then here we have to find for 250 patients how much soup is required. So we have to find for 250 patients, that is 11 into 7 into 2 into 250. This much centimeter cube. That is equal 38,500 centimeter cube. Here we have to find the quantity of soup. So it is better to write this in liter. Okay. So to convert centimeter cube to liter, what we should do? Divided by 1000. So 38500 by 1000 liters. Then we can cut these two zeros. Then 385 by 10 is 38.5 liters. So how much liters or how much soup we prepare for this patients? That is 38.5 liters. Okay. So this is the answer. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.